Today I'm genuinely impressed because one of the fastest growing tools in the AI space, Gamma.app, just relaunched with a massive update. And in this video, we are diving into it. If you've been struggling with clunky presentation software or wasting hours trying to make content that actually looks good, Stop. Gamma just made all of that irrelevant. With over 50 million users and more than 700,000 presentations, documents, and websites created every single day, Gamma is now the most popular AI-powered presentation tool on the planet. And as of April 2025, it's not just for slides anymore. So, if you don't know what Gamma.app is, think of it this way. If PowerPoint and ChatGPT had a baby, it would be Gamma. Let's review Gamma's standout features and how this platform works. Let's see what it can do. Let's dive deep. Once you create an account and log in, you will land on Gamma's homepage, and right away the interface feels clean and distraction-free. On the left sidebar, you've got access to Gamma's, which is your main workspace where all your projects live, then shared with you. It's a folder for files shared by others. Then you have sites, public-facing pages you've published, and all images, a media vault with everything you've used or uploaded. Underneath that, you'll see options for folders to keep your content organized, templates, inspiration, and themes to kickstart new ideas, plus tools like custom fonts, trash, and your settings and members tab. So it's a tight layout, but very intuitive. Everything is right where you'd expect it, which means less hunting and more creating. Let's start with the core of the tool, the create with AI function. Let's go step by step, starting with Gamma's. Here we can click on create new from blank, or import. Let's begin with create new. This option allows us to create a presentation, web page, or document with AI. We have three different choices. Let's explore all three, and let's begin with the first one. Paste in text. This is my prompt. We can create a presentation, a web page, a document, or a social post. Let's choose the presentation option, page style traditional, and let's click on continue. We're now redirected to a prompt editor where we can customize the structure, tone, and audience of our presentation. On the left, we can choose how much content we want per card, brief, medium, or detailed, define who we are writing for, and set the overall tone. In this case, it's set to informative, accessible, forward-looking. We can also adjust the format, traditional presentation, select an image style, and choose the output language. In the center, we see the editable content area, and at the bottom, we can see the number of cards, 8 cards. Let's make it 9. Once everything looks good, we hit continue and let the AI generate these slides. Let's click on continue. Boom! What a lovely theme preview. Just take a look at these options. These designs are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. We picked a theme. Now I'm going to click generate and look at this result. Wow. Look at these slides. In less than 5 minutes, I created this masterpiece. Wow. Let's click on present. This is what my presentation looks like. It's clean, it's minimalist, it's modern looking. Let's go back, and I'm going to repeat the same steps, except this time I'll select the web page option. I want to see the difference. We see a familiar prompt editor. I'm going to check this web page option and click on continue, and generate. Lovely visuals. Now we have a page that we can publish. Let's click on publish. Boom. View site. And look, the site is live. This is the URL. I can now share this URL with whoever needs it. lovely. Let's explore other options that we can create via the Create with AI function. Create new. It looks like we have a popular choice right in the middle of the screen. Let's check out this feature called Generate. As before, we can generate a presentation, web page, document, or social post. Let's see how great of a presentation Gamma can create from a single prompt. Here's my prompt. Let's click on Generate Outline, and the outline is almost ready. Now let's click Generate. This process feels similar to what we did earlier, but it's more simplified. Fewer customization options. Look at these visuals and the layout. Once again, whoever worked on this deserves a Nobel Prize. Figuratively speaking, my artistic spirit cannot stay neutral when it detects this level of kosher layouts and visuals. Love it. I absolutely love it. It looks like no matter what I want to create, the final result is always surprisingly impressive. Let's go back to the home page. So now Gamma isn't just about creating, it can also fix things. Yes, fix things. For example, if you've got an ugly presentation that you want to turn into a gorgeous one, Gamma can help. Just click on Import File, Create New, Import File or URL. I'm going to import from URL, and here is an ugly presentation. This is what it looks like. Just take a look at this ugly presentation. I'm going to click on Import. Let's turn this presentation into something better. We've already tested these first two options. This time I'll pick the document option and click continue. Continue and generate. Just take a look at this presentation. How do you like this version? Just compare it to the original. This is the original and this is a new improved version of the same presentation. I think it's clear who the obvious winner is. Let's now export this presentation into a PDF file. Share, export to PDF, and the file is ready. This is what the PDF version looks like. We are ready to share the presentation with the world. Let's go back to the home page. Let's click on New from Blank and see what we can do here. This is a more manual way of creating a presentation, although you still have access to the AI editor right here, Edit with AI. Let's create a title. I can customize the card color. I can also make it a full bleed card, alignment, card width. I can add a backdrop. I can use a prompt to generate a backdrop image. Let's click on Generate. I'm creating an image just to show how this works. This is my backdrop. I can edit this card with AI. I can improve writing. I can add an image. Let's click on Make this more visual. Let's generate another card, image and text, edit with AI. Let's click on Add an image. I can even animate this image. Let's click on Animate. Look at the final result. This presentation is getting more dynamic. So I can expand this text. Let's click on Expand Text. I can add another card. Boom. I can do anything I want here. The limitations barely exist. Let's add another card. Accent right. Video and media, YouTube videos. I'll try to embed this video. All done. Perfect. Take a look at my presentation. Let's return to the home page and take a look at the menu. Let's click on sites. Here we can see all the sites we've generated so far, all of the images, the templates, and the collection of user-made inspiration pieces. This stuff was created by other Gamma users. Now, what's this new themes feature? Let's click on New Theme, build a theme. Here we can customize our theme and create unique accent colors and secondary colors. Let's click Continue. Let's try to play around with different colors. Body, boom. Let's pick a different font. We can also import brand files so Gamma can detect and use our color scheme. You can upload custom custom fonts too. Let's pick one of the presentations. One last thing I want to show you is analytics. Click on these three dots. If you click on these three dots and analytics, you'll be able to see this built-in tool that shows you who viewed your Gamma, when they opened it, and how many cards they saw. It's a pretty useful tool. It's a great way to understand engagement and get the kind of feedback that's usually impossible to collect. So, what do I think about Gamma? This platform, this set of tools doesn't just improve your workflow, it reinvents it. From creating stunning presentations and web pages in minutes to transforming outdated decks into polished masterpieces with one click. Gamma feels like the future of content creation. The interface is intuitive, the AI feels genuinely helpful, and the level of visual design it delivers, it's shockingly good. Whether you are a marketer, educator, founder, or just someone trying to make an impression, Gamma has eliminated every excuse for using outdated tools. It's not just a PowerPoint killer, it's the new standard. If you are interested in checking out Gamma, you'll find the link in the description. I'll be back with more cool reviews. I'm done for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.